So these Gundam, the Vidar, is become the like when customer asking like what's the recommendation.
This is it.
Yeah, this is it.
This is the recommendation.
Yeah, this is the recommendation.
I am the danger, Skylar. I am the recommendation.
Yeah. I asked Kobey like why you recommend this one to the customer yesterday, and what's your answer?
Because it looks cool.
Yeah. It looks cool, right? Yeah. And today I'm going to tell you why you need to recommend this.
You're gonna
one.
actually give me the solid facts as to
Yeah,
why
yeah.
we should recommend this to customers.
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna impart knowledge on me again. I have to sit through this again. Will James just tried. All right. Let me put my listening face on.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
this is a very popular unit from the series, the Iron-Blooded Orphans.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and another very famous unit from this series is the Barbatos.
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 Barbatos. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's the same thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
that one. You know that one, right?
I do know that one.
Yeah.
I don't remember what it looks like, but I remember the name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this Master Grade Vidar has a it's like a upgrade version of Barbatos from the inner frame aspect.
I remember saying it has the smallest waist I've ever seen.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. So because this one is like released later than Master Grade Barbatos, so it has a lot of like improvement.
Ooh.
Yeah.
They learnt from the.
Yeah.
Ah.
So the quality is like somehow better.
Somehow.
Yeah, somehow.
What do you mean somehow? We know how. They learn from it.
Yeah.
Inner frame.
Inner frames.
Better inner frame than the last one.
Yeah. They have a like so it's like doing the improvements based on the Barbatos inner frame. It has a brand new upper part of the body. Has a very.
Uh-huh.
It has a like a rotatable parts on the.
Rotate. Every time you say rotate, I'm gonna spin.
You're gonna spend a lot of time for this one. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah, and they have a like brand new head parts. Yeah, structure. Also, I'm trying not to say rotating, but
You just said it.
does that count?
Yes.
Okay.
Chrome parts for all of your hydraulics.
Yeah. Oh, mentioning of the hydraulics. So
They rotate.
I didn't say that. So the units from this series are very famous for the most significant
amount of hydraulics.
Yeah.
They have heaps of like hydraulics on their arms and the torso and everything.
Yeah.
And I suppose they would move, right? Like as in the suspension pole would go in. So
Yeah.
Right.
And it has a cylinder-ish like tag on the shoulder, so you can keep the horizontally level of arms in the position. I'm not saying this.
Okay. What's this? A spear? Does it come with spears?
Yes.
So you can spear you alive. Okay.
Yeah.
I had a customer say that the color of the plastic doesn't look like the box art. Well, too bad. You can paint it.
Yeah, you can paint
That's my answer. You can paint models.
And it also did a lot of like prescribing for the parts.
Prescribing.
Yeah. So you can easily just stick the pen aligning ink into the prescribed lines to make it like looks better. Yeah. But if you want to do the shading, so you need to get to the brush or airbrush thingy.
Of course, which is the best way to do it. Now, I know a lot of you Gundam guys don't. But follow Kawa's lead, because she's starting the revolution.
Yeah.
Viva la revolution of Gundam.
Yeah.
Airbrush your Gundams. Make them look cooler.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Take the hard way out. It's rewarding.
Yeah.
Decals. Are they stickers? Sorry. Stickers. speed running this one. Stickers, more inner frame,
Mhm.
body parts.
Mhm.
What's that? That's the knees.
Mhm.
And then
Oh,
this-
that's the
what?
the
The
That's-
road?
rotatable parts on the upper.
Rotate.
Yeah, you didn't switch the camera, so
You said it twice, so
yeah, that's the rotatable part for the
for the
upper body, like
upper body.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's
yeah.
where the upper body goes.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Last one. Kawa always wears a mask because she's always sick. Sick of my SHIT. That's right. She can't get away from whatever sickness I'm getting. So it's one way to stop it. More in the frame.
Yeah, that's a lot of uniform.
So they've really learnt from the Barbatos.
Yeah.
They really learnt that they need more
So they're
inner
fixing a lot of like easy to break parts. Yeah.
Shields.
Yeah, shields. Yeah.
Great.
That's why I see this one is a
Like a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Because it's got lots of inner frame. Oh my god, look at that thing. It looks scary. It's gonna come after me at night from my closet. Row. Tron.
yeah.
Megatron. Come and buy your model Megatron. Just don't put the armor on. Oh, is that Vidar?
Yeah.
He's evil.
He is. He's a bad guy.
He's a rotatable bad guy.
Oh, there's one more thing.
What?
This kit comes with 2 different figures. I don't know why, but they're giving
These ones?
Yeah, this character. So
2 different figures.
yeah,
Like of this guy.
yeah, of this.
2
guy.
different poses or?
So there's one with the mask and one without.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
fair enough.
yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just mold the heads separately at that point.
I don't want to say that's a useless like extra point for this kid, but yeah, but it is an extra.
Oh, well, more value for
Yeah,
everyone.
yeah.
Okay. Just gonna take a quick flick through.
Yeah.
There it is.
Mm.
Your Vidar in
Yeah.
all of its glory.
It's a very good choice if you want to try some Master Grade Gundam. Yeah.
Get into it, guys. Let's put this back. How many we got left of these? 2?
2. Yeah.
2, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
We
we had
only
another
have
guy
2.
get one yesterday.
Yeah.
As per your recommendation. As per my recommendation, if it looks cool. All right. I quickly want to jump into the mouse.